If you want to hide or show adult or sensitive content on your Instagram Reels, Stories, or suggested posts, then I'll show you from where you can turn off NSFW post or enable or disable sensitive content restrictions on your Instagram app by using either Android or iOS device. So to toggle on or off sensitive content, open your Instagram app, then tap on your profile picture, then tap on more options from top right corner, and select settings and privacy. Now from here search for suggested content. Expand it and here's our sensitive content settings. So we'll tap on it and we will get 3 options we can choose from. If you want to see less sensitive content, then select less from these 3 options. And if you want to see more of them, then keep it on more. And you can choose a middle ground by selecting standard. Now we can control whether you want sensitive content on your Instagram feed or not. If you found this helpful, make sure to stay tuned for more.